The printer stops feeding pages, the control panel displays an alternating E and 4, and the error icon, paper error icon, and resume light blink. This indicates that paper might be jammed inside the printer. Paper jams can be real or false. The printer might report a paper jam even when there is no jammed paper. The following steps apply to both real and false paper jams.